Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to ask ChatGPT for fast research tips using ChatGPT. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your browser and search for ChatGPT. Here you can see introducing ChatGPT. Press on this. Now press on Try ChatGPT. So here, to ask ChatGPT for fast research tips using ChatGPT, you can structure your request to include clear instructions, desired formats, and specific topics. So here I'm gonna guide you with tips, example prompts, and topics you could explore. You just have to follow the tips and tricks. So let's go. So now I'm going to show you some rules which you have to follow. Number 1. Request quick summaries for basic understanding. Example prompt. Can you give me a quick summary of main points about climate change? Here is your answer. You have to specify that you want only essential points. This helps ChatGPT focus on the basic rather than diving too deep, making it great for an initial understanding. Number 2. Ask for key points or an outline. Example prompt. Could you create a brief outline covering the main points of artificial intelligence? Let's search the answer. Here it is. Outlines are useful for understanding the structure of complex subject, allowing you to choose specific points to explore further. Number 3. Request simplified explanations of complex topics. Example, can you explain blockchain technology in simple terms that are easy to understand? Your answer is ready. Number 4. Specify shortlist or facts. Example prompt. What are the top 5 facts I should know about benefits of mindfulness? Let's wait for the answer. Your answer is ready. If you need only a few quick facts, ask for a list or a certain number of points. This helps narrow down the information to the most critical points. So, this structured approach will make your experience with ChatGPT efficient and productive, saving you time while ensuring you get the information you need. So this is how to ask ChatGPT for fast research tips using ChatGPT. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.